In this video, I'm going to show you CaseGuard's merge feature. This feature comes in really helpful if you have multiple different angles of the same video. You can upload them and turn them all into one split screen video. Here you can see I have 4 different angles of the same video. I want all of them merged into one so that I can watch all of them back at the same time as well as redact all of them simultaneously. What I can do is come over here and click Merge Files. To get a split screen, I'm going to come over here and select Merge Media Files Side by Side, and then Next. Here's where I'm going to add my files. In CaseGuard, you can add up to 16 files for merge and make them all in one split screen video. I only have 4. I'm going to go ahead and select my 4 videos and click Open. Now I'm going to click Next. Here I can choose what my layout is going to look like. If I have videos of different sizes or different orientations, I can select one that's more conducive to that. Mine are 4 videos of the same size. They're all horizontal, so I'm going to stick with this 2x2 grid. And here I can move around my videos. If I want them presented in a certain way, I can change around the order of them. I can also mute and unmute the audio from them if needed. And here I can add an audio file on top of my videos. If I click Browse, I can choose the audio feed from these videos, click Open, and then I can click Next. Here's my summary. I can review everything and make sure that it's all correct. If my job is incorrect, I can go ahead and click Edit here. If my files, I need to add or remove one, I can click Edit here. Again, you can add up to 16, so if you've added less than 16 and you want to go back and add more, you can always add more right here. You can also choose your video resolution and frame rate on export, as well as name your file. Make sure you name your file something descriptive so that if you need to go back and find it later, there's no confusion and you can stay fully organized. Now I'm going to click Apply. Now that my file is exported, I can come over here and click on it, and then I can click Play. Now all 4 of my videos are merged together into a split screen, but let's say I want all this footage redacted. What I can do is come up here and click AI Video, and I'm just going to select my template. I only need faces for this video, so I'm going to select my faces template, and now I can just click Apply. Now all the identifiable faces are redacted. If you want to apply some further redaction, you can use object tracking. If I return to the start of the video, I can click play. All these faces are redacted. I have my split screen video. I can just go ahead and export. And now I have a fully redacted video of all my different camera angles, ready to be released, sent for review, whatever you need done with it. That's how you can use the merge feature to combine multiple different angles of the same event or of body camera footage or CCTV footage, security footage that was all taken of the same thing, and then how you can use that to get redacted footage for whatever your needs are. Hope you enjoyed.